Hey, Steve Zonarder here with Treviso Realty. Happy Monday morning. Quick update on the current inventory. 23,000 units in 21. So 23,021 units. That's 1.5% up since last week. Nothing crazy there. Sales are up 5%, so 459 sales. The stereo inventory really similar to last week. 876 units with 18 sold, so it's a little bit up. I think we're we have 14 sales, and this doesn't include new construction. Obviously, this is resale for a stereo. We did well as well. I think we did like 5 deals last week, which is great. The market is on a tear. Let's just say that. Ultimately, even the builders, their incentives are still really good. What we're finding too, I think what's happening is that a lot of other communities in Florida are not performing as well as possible. Let's say, so Southwest Florida, I think the manager is going to go from Marco all the way up into Sarasota. So there's other parts of, let's say, Florida that they're not doing well. So they're kind of mitigating communities that are selling more, and they're giving them still great incentives, which is great because they need to keep the sales up to kind of like, I guess it's just like they're faking it to make it, so they're going to make the whole Southwest corridor look stronger based on, let's say, our sales here in our little pocket between, let's say, Marco and Cape. So yeah, it's really good. I mean, we're still doing great deals. We did a quick little investment property sale last week, which is fantastic. Again, we just posted a video out. It's $265,000. The original buyers fell through on financing, and we scooped it up at 2025 pricing. So that's a really good deal. That's going to create some great cash flow, because those were cash flowing at 265 at 8% interest rates. Now that's at 7%, 7.1. So again, that's extra cash, positive cash flow into our client's pocket, which is fantastic. So that's great. My brother's property as well, because he's going to lease it out for a few years until he decides if he's going to move down as well. We leased it out on Saturday. We haven't even taken possession of it. I haven't even showed it. I just let random tenants walk through the property because it is open. It's not, we don't take possession of it yet. And we did the deal on the weekend, and he takes possession tomorrow. So that's automatically going to have a tenant in as of, what are we now? We're in February. So I think it's April 1st, that one. So yeah, it's fine. It's like a month and a half, which is perfect. Great tenants, high income, $15,000 to $17,000 per month. Really happy with that. Our other investment properties out in let's say Fort Myers, again, we're having like a pickup of like showings, this and that and the other. It's just a little bit of a struggle there right now. We have one showing tonight. Hopefully that deal gets done and off the plate, because we are going to start replenishing that inventory with new sales that we're generating now. So obviously we've got to keep an eye on that. Regarding the property management company, yeah, going well. Obviously, seasonals are all filled. We picked up another Airbnb on Sanibel, which we're going to manage for them. So we'll see how that works. Obviously, it's late. We're in the middle of Feb. We've just taken possession of it earlier this month. So we're trying to get a March fill in, because those are obviously a great deal to be on the island of Sanibel in like a newer property, or like newer to the market type property. So excited about that. Another thing I want to talk about is Coconut Point. So our office, I love the spot. I think to me it's again, I didn't want to be in Naples, I didn't want to be in Fort Myers, I didn't want to be in Bonita. Mind you, downtown Bonita, Old 41, I would love to get like an old building there on the old Main Street. Reminds me of my original office up north in Kleinberg, where just like a small village community, similar feel, but obviously very tropical. But that'd be cool. That's the only other place I'd rather go than where I am now in Coconut Point, because I love it here. This kind of gives me an indication of what's currently happening in the market, because everyone, especially in the sterile, like I'm looking out my window. Today is President's Day, so schools are not open. So ultimately, there is a lot more foot traffic with kids, but usually you can see when the snowbirds are all in town, which is, it's a good gauge on the market and what we're doing with selling real estate. So that's why we enjoy it. But why I'm talking about that is they are going to renovate. We are going on to 20 years. If you notice, our buildings here, it's very Mediterranean in the sense of like colors are like browns and oranges and a bunch of stuff like that. They're going to make it look like more Naples, which is great. So more Mediterranean revival tones. So this is going to be really nice. So like some more earth tones. Palette concept is basically soft warm shades of white, cream, and beige. I think this is going to look amazing. The only issue is if you do own a unit here, I would imagine there's going to be an assessment on the unit holders here. But I think ultimately, like this it'll bring up the value, bring up the prestige, because it'll look more like Mercatos. If you've been to Mercatos, where it's that like warmer earth tones, white beige, more classy feel to it, like similar to what I'm pointing at here. So excited about that. I believe it's a 2-year project. It's obviously in a massive complex, but it's good too to kind of rejuvenate the environment here. Even though everyone from up north, when they do come for the first time down here, they absolutely love it. They're in love with the way everything looks and feels. And I think with this added to it, it'll give a lot more value to the community. And also for Estero, we got to always promote and push Estero because Estero's the best. Have a great day, guys. Ciao.